Yes, this is Orlando, Florida, the week before HamCation, when ham radio enthusiasts from around the world will come together for the annual convention of the American Radio Relay League, or ARRL. They come here each February to escape the cold and the snow for a weekend of sunshine and tropical breezes. And right now, it is snowing in Florida.
Wind advisory in effect from 3 p.m. Saturday to 7 a.m. Eastern Standard Time Sunday. Extreme cold warning in effect from 7 p.m. Saturday to 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time Sunday. Freeze warning in effect from 7 p.m. Saturday to 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time Sunday.
A record cold outbreak, or Arctic air, straight from the North Pole has overspread Florida, challenging fruit growers and homeowners with below freezing temperatures and near zero wind chills. There has even been snow reported in parts of Florida. The extreme cold prompted unusual weather warnings for area residents and visitors to area theme parks. Extreme cold weather warnings were posted across Florida. Locals were warned to cover their plants with sheets or burlap. I even saw one local garden draped in fur coats, obviously very love tropical vegetation. Highs are struggling to get out of the 40s, and lows below freezing are common. This means locals are being warned to stay indoors and trickle water so their above ground, exposed plumbing doesn't freeze or explode. People are panicking because this is not normal for Florida. As the bitter cold air moves across the warm waters of the Gulf of America, creating a rare phenomenon in this part of the world called lake effect snow, or more accurately, ocean effect snow.
Hard freeze conditions could kill crops and other sensitive vegetation and possibly damage unprotected outdoor plumbing. Dress in layers, including a hat, face mask, and gloves if you must go outside.
The big question is, what should you plan to wear and pack if you're coming to Florida for HamCation or to enjoy the theme parks? Well, winter in Florida typically brings highs in the 70s and lows in the 50s. Although it will last several days, the weather pattern that brought unprecedented snow to the south will move out and be replaced by a more typical southerly flow of warm air before the start of HamCation. So if you're traveling to Florida, don't worry about packing winter clothes. Just bring a jacket for the trip and pack your shorts and tank tops. Temperatures for HamCation are expected to be above normal, with 80s a strong possibility. Tropical breezes and sunshine will be abundant once again, and this cold weather will soon be a memory that the locals talk about for decades to come. The frozen iguanas are thawed out and back in the trees. The birds are singing. The sun is shining, and the hams are once again gathering for the annual vacation retreat to Orlando beside the palm trees and beaches. Soon RVs and campers will be setting up camp, and vendors will be setting up shop. Don't forget to subscribe for notifications of live coverage of the big event, and I'll see you at HamCation, 73 from Kilo Delta 2 Romeo Echo uniform, your ham on the air and on the road.